Welcome to Linux Help. Today we're going to see how to install Gitlab on Oracle Linux 8.8. Gitlab is an open source code repository and a collaborational platform for large DevOps projects. The DevOps software's Gitlab integration the capabilities of developing, securing, and operating software. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 8.8. Next, I am going to install the dependency package by using the following command. Next, I am going to disable the firewall D and AC Linux by using the following command. Next, I am going to download the GitLab RE package by using the following command. Next, I am going to install GitLab CE RPM package by using the following command. Next, I am going to reconfigure the GitLab by using the following command. Once reconfigure is finished, go to the browser. Enter the IP address. This is the GitLab login page. Next I'm going to log in Git as a root. Go to the following path on the terminal to get a default root password by using the following command. Long list the directory by using the following command. Open the following file by using the vim command. Copy that password. This is the dashboard of GitLab. This is the process to install GitLab on Oracle Linux 8.8.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.